beauties, welcome again to Wendy Stars. A beautiful Thursday to you, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Stars. I just want you guys to see this slick, beautiful Pixie cut for beautiful matured women. One thing with Pixie cut is that it will make you look bold and daring. If you want that kind of beautiful short haircuts for that event, or for those beautiful matured women that don't really want to waste time doing their morning routine like in front of the mirror, this haircut is for you because it's that classic beautiful haircut that saves time. It's a classic cut for the beautiful matured women. It's that kind of haircut that will take many years off your age. And another thing about this hairstyle too is that it's the kind of hairstyle that will make you look younger and sexy. So I just want you guys to please watch this beautiful style. Can't you see even that side pattern? It's so beautiful. Sometimes you need to add some patterns or designs, but this is just so simple and classy, and you can see how it looks so matured on this beautiful woman. So you can also try this haircut because it will make you look so girlish, make you look so beautiful and gorgeous. Okay, if it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. Indeed, this is a beautiful style. That's why you will see all these reactions from these beautiful women rocking this style, because it really makes them look outstanding. So if you're looking for the hairstyles to really turn eyes in that red carpet event, this haircut is for you. And please watch this video to the end. You're not going to regret watching. God bless you guys, and I wish you all the best in life. Ciao, ciao. I get that mind, go what do you? I'm feeling your ocean no more. Come look at you, my body won't issue. Jackie up your feet, my baby. Stop your beer. I'm not feeling my.